Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you something interesting. I have modified this angle grinder into an die grinder, otherwise known as for a straight grinder. If you are having a workshop at your home or some other places, you might have been having lot of angle grinders. Some might be pretty much old. That angle grinder you can convert like this into die grinder. What here I have done is that I have cut down this head area. This is actually an aluminum casting only. I have made an pretty clear cut here, and I have grinded down the shaft to this 5 mm collet chuck shaft diameter. Actually, the shaft of the grinder will be much harder. You cannot turn on and lathe. So what you are going to do is simply turn on the angle grinder, and you will place an grinding wheel, and you will grind down the shaft to the nominal size, which is around 5 mm. Do it precisely. Otherwise, if the shaft gets below 5 mm, it will become a loose fit and it will get wobble. Now let me fix this chuck. Here you will have two Allen screws which you need to tight. Now I have tightened the screws securely. You can see there wouldn't be any wobble. Actually, I have not done this on lathe. I have done this manually. You can bring this much of accuracy if you do precisely. When you are purchasing this collet, you will get around this type of different size of collets attachments you can use for your various attachments. Now I have attached a 6 mm collet here. Let me attach with an grinding wheel and show you how it performs. Now I am attaching this aluminum oxide grinding wheel here. Attached securely. Now let me on and see how this works. Now let me on the machine. You have seen now that we have made an old angle grinder into useful die grinder. This will be very much useful for people who are working in garages, repair shops, etc. I hope you might have found this video interesting. Thank you for watching this.